In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company information in Salesforce Setup. We're going to walk through the process of finding your organization's company details, editing the information, and saving those updates so your records stay accurate and up to date. This is a simple task, but it's an important one, especially if your business name, address, or main contact details have changed and you want your Salesforce organization settings to reflect the correct information. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. Once you're in the Setup area, look for the Quick Find search box on the side panel. This search tool is one of the fastest ways to locate settings in Salesforce, and it helps you avoid clicking through multiple menus manually. In the Quick Find box, type Company Information. As the matching option appears, select it to open the Company Information page. This section contains the core details tied to your Salesforce organization, so it's where you can review the business information currently on file. After the page loads, move your attention to the top center area of the screen and click the Edit button. This will open the configuration layout so you can make changes to the existing fields. If you don't immediately see the button, take a second to confirm that you're on the correct company information page in Setup. Now begin updating the text fields you need to change. This may include the company name, the address fields, and the primary point of contact information. As you enter the updated details, take your time and double-check spelling, formatting, and accuracy. Small errors in this section can create confusion later, especially if this information is referenced for organization-wide settings or administrative records. When updating address information, make sure each field matches the correct format for your location, including city, state, postal code, and country if applicable. For contact details, confirm that the information entered reflects the current main contact your organization wants associated with these records. Once all your changes have been reviewed and you're satisfied everything is correct, click Save. This will update your global organization account information records and apply the new details in Salesforce. And that's it. You've successfully updated your company information in Salesforce Setup. Keeping this section current is a good administrative habit and can help ensure your organization's settings remain accurate over time.